What's up, guys? Today we're unboxing this package that just came in the mail from our friends over at Stupid Bullets Tech. Take a look at the product page. So this is their Artisan Keycap of the month #2, the Bonsai. I can't remember what color I ordered, so I guess we'll find out here in just a moment. The bonsai tree was originally found in China, growing in the wild. Taoist monks embraced these plants and cultivated them under the name Bonsai. Means tray plant. Little information here on bonsais, where they come from, little back history. Let's get into this package. Let's see what we got. So this package did get left out in the rain, but everything should be fine inside, and it does appear to be dry inside, so we're good. Let's see what we got here. We got a little candy. Little thank you note. A thank you note from our buddy Stupid Bullets. If you haven't checked that guy out over on Twitch, definitely check him out. Check him out on YouTube. He does a lot of giveaways. I don't know of anyone that gives away as much stuff as Stupid Bullets. He also is carrying bobas now and some other new products, so definitely check him out. Definitely a friend of the stream. Okay, so we got the silver one, or the gray one. I really like this, actually. Let's take a close up here at it for you. Sorry, I just got a new desk. Got everything rearranged. Not quite used to having my camera the other direction. Used to it being upside down before. Come on. Gotta be pain sometimes. Not wanting to focus. Oh no. Well, try a little further. All right, that's good enough. So, as you can see, got a silhouette of a bonsai tree there. I think it looks really good. This is an aluminum keycap. Should fit any standard Cherry MX style stem switch. And I'm looking forward to putting it on something here real soon. I've got a couple things in mind. We'll see what we end up putting it on. Hope you guys can be here for that build stream. Thanks again for being here. If this is your first time, be sure to hit that like and subscribe down below. I will include the product page and description in the details of the video. Sorry. Leave a comment. Let me know what board you'd like to see this on. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks for being here, guys. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.